Today we got The Godfather, the game for the PS2. This one's not in terrible condition. It's dirty for sure, but let's see what we can do. Alright, I already have a compound on the white pad. I'm using McGuire's Diamond Cut Compound 2.0 M85. Yeah, white pad, 20 seconds always. 20 seconds just finished. I'm only opening this to spray this with water just to help dissipate heat. Another 20 seconds. Alright, this just finished. It's looking kind of mirrory already. Go to the polishing pad. Put a little bit of McGuire's on. Closed. 20 seconds. 20 seconds are done. That's it. Last 20 seconds. Alright, I just took it off the thing. Godfather. About to wipe it. Let's see what we got. This one came out really good. Nice. Let's go test it and make sure it works. Love that sound.
Hey, baby.
Oh.
So bad about your bakery. Give it to him.
RIP, homie.
When the time is right, you will take your revenge.
You ain't got no hands.
He was helpful.
Right.
Luca Brasi said he has some business he wants to settle with you. Purchase it. You won't be needing this. I don't want no trouble with you.
Well, it works. A link to my eBay store will be in video bio or page description. Yeah, till next time, guys. Latest.